Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about Crohn's disease and the importance of folic acid and iron in your diet. So those of you who are taking sulfasalazine or methotrexate, those medications may interfere with the absorption of folic acid. So great food sources for you are fortified cereals, wheat germ, rice, and spaghetti, vegetables such as black-eyed peas and kidney beans, spinach, dark leafy greens, lettuce, avocado, and orange juice. So making sure you have those in your diet regularly should help improve with your folic acid intake. Next is iron. So due to inflammation in your body, iron is used less efficiently. So low stores of iron, as well as ulcers in your stomach that may also cause blood loss, can lead to anemia, iron deficient anemia. So ways to increase iron in your diet through food is again with fortified cereals, as well as spinach, meat such as chicken and beef and pork, as well as lentils and beans, and foods that are plant sources of iron. So that's going to be spinach, beans, and things like that. You want to accompany vitamin C rich foods to help with absorption. So that's going to be bell peppers, tomatoes, citrus fruits, and berries. So making sure you have rich sources of folic acid as well as iron in your diet is really important. Again, if you are unsure if you are getting enough foods, speak with your doctor. Your doctor can point you in the direction of a registered dietitian who can come with an individualized plan for you, and talk with your doctor about maybe taking a supplement to make sure you are getting enough of those nutrients. Quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, like my videos, give me some comments, and let me know of other nutrition topics you want to learn about. Thanks so much for checking in, and stay tuned for more videos.